Hello there. As I promised in the last video, now we will make a review and testing of some N-gage games on the Nokia 6680 smartphone. Also, I will explain to you why I let the camera hole in the back. Usually I don't do that in the mods that I do, but in this case I did it, and you will see why after. So let's try at first one of the best N-gage games that in my opinion it's one of the best games that was made for this platform. Skip this intro. So the buttons are already configured correctly. This is jump, this is fire, this is start left, start right, turn left, turn right, move up, look down. Now if you take a look at the graphic of this game, for the year 2003, I think, when this phone was released, I think the graphics are amazing for that time. And if you're thinking that this N-gage console was made to compete with the Game Boy Advance, I think this graphics actually blows the GBA out of the water. However, as you all know, the N-gage platform didn't had the success of the GBA because they were trying to make a phone combined with a gaming console, and the form factor was just not good to be used either as a phone, either as a gaming console. So let's try to see if we can find some enemies. I'm trying to hold this the best way I can. So that you can see the screen. Not entirely sure where I'm supposed to go. Okay, so yeah. Anyway, let's try another game, another N-gage. I think this one. This one also is pre-configured. This is throw the grenade. This is fire, starve, and turn. Actually, it feels great but yeah, I have to hold it so you can see the screen. But if I hold it like this, it feels actually great, and the gameplay is much better than on the original N-gage. So yeah, this was Operation Shadow. Let's try another. Let's try Space Impact. So let's try another one, more, I don't know, like this, one more graphically intense. Okay. Okay. Let's try this one. This is a game similar to Asteroids, but in 3D. This one is accelerate, this one is decelerate, and yeah, these ones are not programmed. This is fire button. Okay, let's try another. Racing Thunder. This is a good one. Okay. Let's see something else. Let's see. Let's try this one. And apparently the battery is as expected, is not in good condition anymore, and I was just too lazy to make a new battery for it. But yeah, definitely I will put new battery with much higher capacity. Okay, so with the last remaining power that this battery has, I will show you now why I let the camera bump here. It is because maybe this is the first augmented reality game made for mobile. So yeah, as you can see, we can shoot mosquitoes with camera, and unfortunately, yeah, it turned off. So definitely a battery upgrade is will be next. Because of the shape of this, I think I can put two big batteries inside each holder of this controller. So yeah, thanks for watching, and in the end I would like to make a comparison between this one and the devices that Nokia made, the N-gage and the N-gage QD. So how do you think? Nokia should have made the N-gage, the new next N-gage, look like this, or they should stick with this design? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you like what I do.